flagship arrives for 2024 in the form of the 3-row CX90 SUV. Replacing the CX9, 2024 CX90 offers the most powerful gas engine the brand has ever made. Considering it's wider and longer than any current Mazda, the 2024 CX90 may be a better threat to popular models like the Honda Pilot and Ford Explorer. On the outside, CX90 is a bit of a design departure for Mazda. With smoothly flowing lines, a long hood, and the front wheels pushed to the very front of the vehicle, the CX90 looks long and sleek. Unlike the bulky school bus demeanor of some mid-range SUVs, the CX90 suggests speed and agility. A new color dubbed Artisan Red is a deep wine-colored shade that is both dignified and beautiful, moving away from the dull tendency of modern SUVs to be offered primarily in silver or grey. The new CX90 also raises the bar for luxury in the vehicle cabin. Inspired by traditional Japanese aesthetics, CX90 offers luxurious and comfortable seating in all 3 rows. From the available heated and ventilated front seats to the available captain's chair in the 2nd row and into the 2-seat 3rd row, there's plenty of space. Mazda offers upholstery in practical materials such as Napa leather and high-grade fabrics with wood trim and bright work that emphasizes the space of the interior. Mazda moved the seats outward, creating more space between the front seats for the center console. The 2024 CX90 will have 2 propulsion options. The base power plant is an all-new mild hybrid e-Skyactiv turbocharged 3.3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine. This will be the most powerful mass production gasoline engine offered by Mazda, putting out 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. The mild hybrid will help with efficiency and smooth acceleration from a standard start. Also new for Mazda and CX90 is the optional e-Skyactiv 2.5-liter 4-cylinder plug-in hybrid. Performance numbers are 323 horsepower and 339 pound-feet of torque. The engine works in conjunction with an electric motor and a rechargeable 17.8 kilowatt-hour battery. Both engines running on 91-octane premium fuel are mated to a drive-by-wire 8-speed automatic transmission for the i-Active all-wheel drive system that has a rear wheel bias. The CX90 base model starts at 40,970, a little more than 900 greater than the base CX90.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on